The Garden Song Select-A-Bird Tube Feeder does it all with its rotating feeding ports and base which adjusts the perch size to attract a variety of birds. Serve mixed seed or thistle by rotating the copper collars surrounding the feeder. To prepare your feeder for filling with seed, lift off the feeder lid and hang to the side. Next, choose what type of seed you'd like to serve. If you're serving mixed seed, rotate both of the copper collars to the larger feeder port opening. If you choose to serve thistle, rotate the copper collars to the smaller feeder port opening. Fill the feeder with seed and replace the lid. Hold the feeder by the neck of the feeding tube and with the other hand, rotate the base of the feeder to select the perch size you desire. For smaller birds, keep the perches closer to the feeder. For larger birds, move the perches to the fully extended position. A good location for your feeder is in the sun. Birds like to feed in warm areas, but keep in mind that they prefer an area that gets little wind. The Perky-Pet Select-A-Bird Tube Feeder will look brilliant in your backyard with its copper-like finish. The Select-A-Bird feature and rotating ports will help you attract a variety of birds.